This plant is Mahonia Repens, creeping Oregon grape. And this is a planting I've been watching since they originally put it in, probably about 5 years ago. And it's doing very well. I think this is pretty much ideal conditions for this in a landscape design, and it's kind of a commercial green belt along a busy road. And they've used it underneath this sycamore tree. And anyway, to talk about the plant, the name suggests how it behaves. It is a creeper. I'd say that each plant, they planted these probably 4 to 5 feet on center, and in 5 years most of them have filled in pretty well. You see this nice grouping they've got going on here. So they're about 20 inches tall plus or minus, and they colonize naturally, as you can see. The flowers are yellow like the other Oregon grape, and I'm not sure if these produce much of a fruit. The typical Oregon grape has a purple berry which is edible, and but this is really used more for its low clumping nature and how it kind of fills in as a tall ground cover. And you can get a good look at the leaf here. It's pretty leathery and also very drought resistant. This is a West Coast native and has adapted to that situation, so these have a nice leathery leaf which makes them drought resistant. You can see the new growth on here has a brighter green color, which is attractive. And these are evergreen, so you do get year-round coverage from these. So if you're using kind of a riparian effect or need a nice evergreen cover in a shaded area that is drought resistant, that's a pretty specific need, and I think this is a good candidate for that type of a solution. So creeping Oregon grape, deer resistant. Most Mahonias are deer resistant, but I don't have personal experience with this, so I can't speak to that specifically, but usually Mahonias are okay. That said, Mahonia aquifolium, here's one right here, has a spiny leaf, and that's part of what makes it deer resistant. These the Repens doesn't have a real spine. These are soft, so it may or may not be deer resistant. I can't speak to that.